You can't come to Sri Lanka and not visit one of their tea plantations. You just cannot.
We are at one of Sri Lanka's most famous tea plantations, Lipton Seed, here at Dambe Tanah. And you know Lipton, the tea? This is where it's from.
Yeah, and the lush greenery here is just simply breathtaking. Let's go take a look. Now, this place was named after the famous tea planter Sir Thomas Lipton. He wanted to make tea affordable and accessible for everyone, and that's why he built this place in 1890. And today, he's one of the biggest names in tea history.
And this is where you can find the most comprehensive tours about tea and learn everything about tea. And this is how he put Sri Lanka on the map, and I think we should just, after all the effort, we should,
Yeah, we should get some tea,
try out this tea, right? You did cheers, come on, you did cheers!
Okay, sorry bro, sorry bro.
Oh, that is really refreshing.
Ooh.
Because you can tell it's really, really cold outside and the tea is really warm. It's very nice and refreshing.
Yeah. So we're done exploring Sri Lanka's history, heritage and culture.
If you want to visit the choices that you've missed, please restart the video. If not, and if you can't wait, head over to jetstar.com to make your booking today. We'll see you in the next episode.
See ya!
Bye!